Will, shall. A. We use I will when we have just decided to do something. When we say I'll do something, we announce our decision. Oh, I have left the door open. I'll go and shut it. What would you like to drink? I'll have an orange juice, please. Get to your phone, Lucy. Oh no, I forgot. I'll phone her now. You cannot use the present simple I do, I go, etc. engaged sentences. I'll go and shut the door, not I go and shut. We often use I think I'll and I don't think I'll. I feel a bit hungry. I think I'll have something to eat. I don't think I'll go out tonight. I'm too tired. In spoken English, the negative of will is usually won't, will not. I can see you are busy, so I won't stay long. B. Do not use will to talk about what you decided before. See 1920. I'm going on holiday next Saturday, not I'll go. Are you working tomorrow? Not will you work. C. We often use will in these situations. C. We often use will in these situations. Offering to do something. That bag looks heavy. I'll help you with it, not I help. Agreeing to do something. Can you give Tim this book? Sure, I'll give it to him when I see him this afternoon. Sure, I'll give it to him when I see him this afternoon. Promising to do something. Thanks for lending me the money. I'll pay you back on Friday. I won't tell anyone what happened, I promise. Asking somebody to do something, will you? Will you please turn the music down? I am trying to concentrate. You want to say that somebody refuses to do something. You want to say that somebody refuses to do something. You can use want to say that somebody refuses to do something. I have tried to give her advice, but she won't listen. The car won't start. The car refuses to start. The car won't start. The car refuses to start. D. Shall I, shall we? Shall is used mostly in the questions shall I, shall we? We use shall we to ask somebody's opinion, especially in offers or suggestions. Shall I open the window? Do you want me to open the window? I have got no money. What shall I do? What do you suggest? Shall we go? Just a minute. I am not ready yet. Where shall we have lunch? Let's go to Marino's. Come where shall I and will you? Shall I shut the door? Do you want me to shut it? Will you shut the door? I want you to shut it. Exercises 21.1. Complete the sentences with I'll a suitable verb. I am too tired to walk home. I think I'll take a taxi. 2. It is cold in this room, is it? On the heating gun. 3. Bye. Have a nice holiday. Thanks. You a postcard. 4. Shall I do the washing up? No, it is alright. It later. 5. I don't know how to shut down this computer. Okay, you. 6. Would you like a coffee? Coffee, please. 7. Are you coming with us? No, I think here. Thanks for lending me the money. It's back as soon as possible. Okay? 9. I know you are busy, but can you finish this report this afternoon? Well, but I can't promise. 21.2. Read the situation and write sentences. I think I don't think I'll. It's a bit cold. The window is open, and you decide to close it. You say, I think I'll close the window. 2. You are feeling tired and it is getting late. You decide to go to bed. You say, I think. 3. A friend of yours offers you a lift in his car, but you decide to walk. You say, thank you, but 4. You are going to have lunch. Now you decide that you don't want to eat anything. You say, I don't think. 5. You planned to go swimming. Now you decide that you don't want to go. You say, 21.3. Which is correct? If necessary, the division of 1921. 1. Did you phone Lucy? Oh no, I forgot. I'll phone her. I'll phone is correct. 2. I can't meet you tomorrow. I'll play tennis. I'm playing is correct. 3. I'll meet you outside the hotel in half an hour. Okay? Yes, that's fine. 4. I need some money. Okay, I'll lend you some. How much do you need? 5. I'll have a party next Saturday. I hope you can come. 6. Remember to